Well, here's the old motor. He said when he was turning it over, it made a loud screeching noise, so that can't be good. But he did say that everything else looks good. The new motor comes all sealed, I guess. New water pump, new oil cooler, that's kind of cool. Just a couple little minor accessory things that he has to take off. But here is the motor out of the chassis. And he said everything else looks pretty decent, so hoping so. I may have him flush this transmission once we get all done. Anyway, I don't want to bug him too much. I'll come back at lunch and check it out, but that's the progress so far. I didn't get a chance to come back earlier in the day, but it looks like the new motor's in place. All the pulleys and accessory drives on there for the fan belt. He did say that the dipstick was stuck in the other one, like froze in there, so I know they had to get a new one of those. That may be setting back a little bit. Looks like the exhaust manifolds are all hooked up. Yeah, for the most part. Looks like it needs another gasket or something here. But yeah, looks like it's in place and bolted up to the transmission, so that's cool. Hopefully this goes well. I am a little nervous. When you can't drive something, that's always a little edgy, right? Because when I bought this, you couldn't drive it at all. So I'm hoping the transmission and everything's good. So that's the update so far. Today's Thursday, and they said Friday, so it's kind of looking like Friday is the day. What else can we see while we're under here? That thing's pretty filthy. It's too bad you can't clean all this stuff, you know what I mean? Hit it with a pressure washer while it's all out. That'd be kind of nice. Not much else to show you other than that. Apparently you needed a big hammer to do something. But yeah, that's the update for today.